important to you? Are you listen, ma? This is very important to you. This book is available in our school. All of you purchase this book. Okay, this is the front page, front of this book, and this is the back side, and this is the first page. Are you see it? This is the first page. Okay. Look at these contents. How many contents in this book? 1 to 15 contents in this book. Okay, 1 to 15. Now we learn about the first chapter. What is this first chapter? The name of I Wonder. I Wonder. Okay, this is the poem. This is the poem. You have the book. All of you look at this book. Okay, put the finger. You don't have the book. You all of you purchase the books. Okay, ma? This is very important to you. Are you read this book daily? Okay. Listen, ma. First lesson. I wonder. I wonder. Okay. This poem, right? Poet is Jenny Kirby. Jenny Kirby. Okay. Listen it. In this lovely poem, the poet tells about his eagerness to know the reason, how the beautiful nature things work and why they look so. Nature things. What is the nature things? Natural things. That is grass, plants, birds, and stars, moon. These all wind. These all are the natural things. The poet explained by the eagerness of the reason and the beautiful nature things. How can work these things to the natural things in nature? Okay. Once you look at this, I wonder why the grass is green. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Or when the moon is not quite around, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about? Who points the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? What is it now? Do you suppose that Dad will not tell me if he knows? Okay, once again I am reading, listen it. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Or when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about? Who points the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it no? Do you suppose that Dad won't tell me if he knows? Okay, listen it, ma. I wonder why the grass is green. I wonder why the grass is green. Grass, which color of the grass, ma? Grass is green color. Are you see the grass? Yes, in the park, in the garden. Yes, the grass is green. And why the wind is never seen? Are you see the air? Are you see the air anyway? No, we cannot see the air. We cannot see the wind. And why the wind is never seen? Who thought nest on the trees and the birds take a rest on the trees. Or when the moon is not quite round. When the moon, are you see the moon in night time? Yes, the moon is not quite round. Where can the missing bit be found? Where can the missing bit be found? The small piece. Where is the missing that small piece of the moon? Okay. Next. Who lights the stars when they blow out? Who lights the stars when blow out? And makes the lighting flash. Sudden bright light. Okay. About sudden bright light about. Who points the rainbow in the sky? Are you point out the rainbow in the sky daily? Early morning we are see the sun rising. Daily early morning are you see the rainbow in the sky? No, that is suddenly coming in the sky. Who points the rainbow in the sky? Who points the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds high? And hangs the fluffy clouds high. Okay. Why is it no? Why is it no? Do you suppose that dad won't tell me if he knows? Okay. Today's the poem is over. Once again you look at mom. This is the hard words. What is this? Hard words. Okay. And read these hard words. Are you listen carefully? Okay. Wonder. 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 Okay. Grass. 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 excited by what is unexpected. excited, excited. by what, what. is unex, unexpected. ed, unexpected. Okay. Bit, bit, bit. Bit meaning small piece. Small piece. small, small. piece, piece, small piece. Next, flash. Flash meaning sudden bright light. Sudden bright light. sudden, sudden. bright, bright. light. light. point, point. point. Direct attention. direct, direct. attention. attention. Direct attention. Point means direct attention. Okay, listen ma, all of you read this